Hi student, welcome to online classes. Okay, today we'll discuss the one more module, that is module number 4, heat and transfer. Okay, the heat transfer. The heat transfer is already you studied in the HMT subject, that is heat and mass transfer. The here also we'll discuss the same thing, heat transfer, how the heat transfer will transfer from one system to another system, or what are the different mode of heat transfer. Okay, for in your HMT subject we have a steady state heat transfer as well as unsteady state heat transfer. So today we will discuss the first, we'll go with the definition of heat transfer. What is heat transfer? The heat transfer can be defined as the transfer of energy from one region to another due to temperature difference within a body or between a body, its surrounding medium. What is that? Heat transfer can be defined as the transfer of energy from one region to another due to temperature difference within a body or between a body and its surrounding medium. Okay, now what is steady state heat transfer and what is unsteady state heat transfer? First, if the rate of heat transfer is constant, see here, if the rate of heat transfer is constant with the time, the rate of transfer be constant with the time is known as steady state heat transfer. If it is, okay, if it is the rate of heat transfer is varying with the time is known as unsteady state heat transfer. Okay, we have the two state, one is steady state heat transfer, another is unsteady state heat transfer. The rate of heat transfer constant with the time, the rate of heat transfer constant with the time is known as steady state heat transfer. If the rate of heat transfer is varying with the time is known as unsteady state heat transfer. For our FEM, we have only steady state heat transfer has to be discussed in this particular model. There are three mode of heat transfer. Okay, there are three mode of heat transfer. They are conduction heat transfer, convection heat transfer and radiation heat transfer. Okay, so these are already we discussed. Just I will once again will glance it. There are three mode of heat transfer. One is conduction heat transfer, second is convection heat transfer, and third is radiation heat transfer. Now what is conduction, or how the conduction is defined as? The conduction is defined as transfer of energy from one region to another through a molecules of a solid medium due to temperature difference within a body or between a body and its surrounding medium. Or conduction is a transfer of heat, or conduction is a transfer of heat through material without any net motion of mass of the material. Simple it is, conduction is a transfer of heat through material without any net motion of the mass of the material. Okay, now we will represent the in the form of mathematical formula. The principal law of condition in is the Fourier law. Okay, the principal law of conduction is a Fourier law. Fourier law is given by Q is equal to minus Ka dt by dx, where Q is the heat transfer rate in x direction in watt. Similarly, K is the thermal conductivity, dt by dx is the temperature gradient, and another is another already given the K value, that is K is thermal conductivity. Now the second mode of heat transfer. The second mode of heat transfer is given as convection. What is convection? Convection is the heat transfer process by which the thermal energy is transferred between a solid and a fluid surrounding. It may be either liquid or it may be a gaseous. Okay, convection is the heat transfer process by which the thermal energy is transferred between a solid and a fluid surrounding it, or that is the surrounding medium may be either liquid or it may be gases. Again, with the help of principle of law of convection is that is Newton's law of convection. The Newton law of convection is given by Q is equal to HA T minus T infinity, or in some of the book they given as Qx equal to alpha, that is directly proportional to A into Ts minus T infinity, where Q is the convection heat transfer, H is the convective heat transfer coefficient, T or Ts is the temperature of the surface of the body in Kelvin, and T infinity is the temperature of the surrounding medium in Kelvin. Then next we will go to the radiation, that is the third mode of heat transfer. What is radiation? Radiation heat transfer is a process by which thermal energy is exchanged between two surfaces in the absence of medium. Radiation heat transfer is the process by which the thermal energy is exchanged between the two surfaces in the absence of a medium. That is, the principal law of radiation is given by Stefan Boltzmann constant. That is, the Stefan Boltzmann constant is given by Q is equal to, that is heat transfer is equal to sigma into epsilon A into T raised to 4 minus T infinity raised to 4, where Q is the heat transfer, sigma is the Stefan Boltzmann constant, and it is in watt meter square Kelvin raised to 4, and emissivity of the surface, A is the surface area of a body through which heat flow in meter square, and T is the absolute surface temperature in Kelvin, and T infinity is the temperature surrounding medium in Kelvin. That is, T infinity is the temperature of the surrounding medium in Kelvin.